Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. We're going to be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for November 2020. This box weighs 1 pound and 2 ounces. I cannot wait to see what we got in this box. So let's break into it and see what they sent me this month. Boxycharm unboxing day is always one of my favorite days of the month. So quick glance, this is what I got. Let's check it out. Oh, so the theme this month is harvest. Really, really cute, nice and fall with the pine cones and the pumpkins. It's really adorable. Okay, I am variation number 9 and I feel like that's a low variation. Normally I've been like 30 something, I feel like. So let's see what 9 has in store. And then there's a Natasha Denona coupon for 25% off site-wide. And the code is right here if you guys can see it. It is NDX Boxy. So you guys can check that out. Is this a Natasha Denona palette? I'm gonna freak. Oh my god, I wanted this one so bad. I just saw it on the Sephora website. I think this is the one I saw on the Sephora website. Oh my gosh. This is the Peak Shadow 5 eyeshadow palette. I can barely even speak. It is so pretty. The only one I'm not digging on is this orange one, but all the rest are so beautiful and neutral and they look really gorgeous. Let me swatch these. I'm going to skip the orange one because I'll probably never use it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this palette already. And the metallic. Oh yes, I love it. You know what? I am going to swatch that orangey one because why not? It's going to be really, really bright for me, I think. Yeah, that's a little bit too much for me, but all the rest. Oh, that is exciting. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm going to use this like every day of my life. I'm so excited. So the next item that I have in my box is this serum right here. And it is from Earth Harbor and it's Helios. And this is an anti-pollution little serum here. Look at the bottle. It is so pretty. It is like a little potion. I love this. I love this little bottle here. It smells nice and clean. Not like anything, no crazy smell. It just smells really clean. Oh, feels really rejuvenating. What does this bad boy do? So this little potion right here helps to remove fine lines and wrinkles, balances the skin's pH, and restores antioxidants into the skin. So I will be using the heck out of this. I can tell you right now, this box is amazing already. The next thing I have is Esmeralda, and this is by Beauty Creations. Two eyeshadow palettes? Are you serious? Thank you, Boxycharm. The packaging on this one feels, you know, a little bit cheaper. It's like a cardboard packaging, but the colors are gorgeous. And you get a whole bunch of different colors. And so there's, oh gosh, hundreds of looks you can make out of this, I'm sure. Beautiful colors. I really like these two metallic ones. It's like a bronze and a gold. I think even just those two would play really well together. Let me go up here. I cannot believe we got 2 eyeshadow palettes. I like the gold and I like the bronze a lot. Oh, this is what I chose. The Benefit Gimme Brow. And comes in a cute little tube like this. I always love Benefit's packaging. It's always adorable. So pretty. And I chose the color, I forgot. Let me see, what did I choose? 3. Like a medium. So it's just like a lighter brown. I usually go lighter rather than darker, and this one you just kind of swoop it onto your eyebrows. I have had this one before in a sample and I really liked it. The last thing we have is a liquid corrector 2.0 Jecca Black. And this is, oh, okay, so this offers light coverage and corrects under eye darkness. Oops, that's like a ton. Oopsie, why is it this color? Okay, so, let me take some of this off. But you know what? That took my makeup off really, really well. Okay, I don't know. I'll have to play with that because I don't know what this is. So, the color is throwing me off. This peachy color? I don't know if I could put that under my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up all the items that came in my harvest box, and I will let you know the value. I'll put it somewhere here on the screen for you guys. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today, watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it. I really like this Boxycharm box, and I feel like I am so blown away by this and my brow stuff, and also I cannot wait to try this little potion right here. So that'll be really, really cool and very exciting. So Boxycharm Day is always one of my favorite days of the month, as I said, and I just like really enjoy spending time with you guys. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love it so much if you'd go ahead and do that for me. And until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!